Hello guys. Welcome back to another video. You guys, today how you turn on comments. This is how to turn on comments. Firstly, go to the settings of your video. Example, this video. Ito yung ito yung tutorial ko. Diba ito send button dito sa ibaba, comments. Ito naka-off. Pindutin yung on button, naka-on na yung comments. On. Ito, sasend ko na to. You want for this, yes is for kids, not for kids. And then send. This examples.
Hello guys, welcome back.
Examples. Example to.
Wow, video for you guys.
Example to 1 subscriber. I will check some subscriber count. Let's check our subscribers. 23. Look on here. Look. It's have a comments. You want to delete your videos like this. Delete.
Sabi ni Doc, may osteoporosis na ako. Kung pabayaan ko ang paghina ng bones ko, maaring lumiit o makuba ako. Kaya
this is the one of yours. Thank you.